What's up, Pyros? Today we have a 12-shot 200-gram cake by Brothers Pyrotechnics called Bazaar. Pretty nice art on this cake. So for our performance on this one, we have alternating red crackling comets, green crackling comets, and gold crackling comets. Then red tails to red bouquets, green tails to green bouquets, and gold tails to crackling. So we got a lot of crackle and comets in this one. Let's go ahead and crack this open, see how it looks on the inside. There we go. So it looks like we have some pretty small bores. Those are probably those little comets. And what look to be some maybe 3/8, maybe slightly smaller tubes here. So this is a little bit of a lighter weight cake, but first time trying it for me. So let's go ahead and take this thing out to the field and see how it looks.